Welcome to AV Corner Digital Signage episode. Alright, everyone please try to stop laughing now. How is everyone today? Thank you for joining us on our first session, where we hope to help you embark on a valuable journey. Buckle up on your seats. In my case, I will have to hold on to my friend's trunk over here. Let's get started.
Alright, I see that everyone is still laughing back there. So I step down from my friend with the trunk so nobody gets distracted here. Okay, before we start, does anyone need a pit stop? I know, it looks like it will be hard to expect you being able to pay attention here, but since this is important, I will stop with my jokes now, okay? Everyone, let's take a deep breath and move to the next slide.
Digital Signage. AV Corner. Guide for a simple but effective way to display your message. What is the most important part in a signage system? Is it the display technology? Is it the signage engine? Is it the price? Is it the ease of use? When it comes to digital signage, it's not about having the most expensive display, nor the best media player device. The content that will be displayed is the key for the success of the system you are trying to create. We need to start with the client requirements. Number 1. System should allow for food menu display or special announcements. Number 2. Requires wireless upload but media player cannot be on client LAN. Number 3. Should be able to schedule different signs throughout the day and week and display the content automatically. Now that we have the client's wish list, next step is to dive into the drawing board. No matter how simple the system you are trying to create might be, always create a signal flow sketch of your intended design just so there are no unwanted surprises during the final deployment. Concept on hand. Next, you can start thinking about the bill of materials. Equipment considerations we need to make. Number 1. Display. Number 2. Mounting the display and site infrastructure. Number 3. Media player, the signage content engine. Display considerations. Brand model. Is it a Samsung? Is it a NEC, Sharp? Display size and connection terminals. Research OEM spec sheets for dimensions, weight and connectivity. Portrait capable if needed? Does it have built-in signage media player or just a vessel for an external player? In our case study, built-in player is not needed. Display considerations. Research more specific details. Look at spec sheet for features like resolution, VS mounting patterns, power requirements, nits in case outdoor window scenarios required, and so forth. May need to look into OEM manual for more specific details to make sure it will suit your desired application. Site considerations. Display mount. Highly recommend to use a swing arm or scissor cross mount to allow easy access for servicing if media player is to be mounted behind the display or even for the signal extension receiver in case of a remote setup scenario. Consider need for 3/4 inch plywood blocking, dependent of weight of display plus mount. Sample of OEM, Peerless, or Legrand Chief. Site considerations. Backbox. For media player placement. If local to display, you may want to consider a backbox for better accessibility servicing. For example, Legrand Chief mount and backbox. Media player considerations. Brand model. Is it a bright sign? Is it a V6? Will it be local or remote, located in the central rack? If remote, need for additional consideration on signal extension, over Cat6 or fiber. Will it be PoE or require local power? What is its resolution capability? Will it require a content management server or will be standalone with isolated AV LAN, which would need for wireless access point, which will be limited on range access? Final considerations for a successful project. Skills required to accomplish tasks successfully. Number 1. Electrician for power outlet install. Number 2. Carpenter GC for plywood backing, if necessary. Number 3. Mounting the display on the wall or hanging from a ceiling.
Number 4. Wireless network setup and configuration. Number 5. Signage player setup/configuration, software know-how and client training, make sure to provide templates. Number 6. Highlight importance of content creation to optimize clients' satisfaction with the new system.
Hope to see everyone back on AV Corner. Please invite your AV family, friends and apprentices to join as well.
AV Corner. Inspiring imaginative minds into the innovative world of audiovisual communication. Subscribe for more videos.